Om Shanti, 30th June 2020. Today Shiv Baba is absolutely recalling the day one lesson in front of us. That is where he is reminding us of the aim objective and the basic knowledge through which the aim objective is going to be achieved. Shiv Baba says that you have to become deities, right? You have to become those who are being worshipped instead of becoming worshippers. Because Shiv Baba says that a doctor can manufacture a doctor. If you want to become a doctor, then you have to study from a doctor as well. Similarly, Shiv Baba says, I am worthy of worship. And so that's why I am making you worthy of worship. Shiv Baba, except Shiv Baba, nobody can even give this aim objective of becoming a deity. It's him who's having the strength because he himself is as great as a deity. Because he is the Godfather. He is even above deities. So he can make us like deities, right? Suppose if the head of the department is teaching us, so we cannot become head of the department right now. We'll be becoming professors, assistant professors. So however, we can never become head of the department because Shiv Baba is absolutely the Godfather, but he makes us absolutely equivalent to himself. If God would have taken a body, he would have been exactly like what we will be in Satyug. So this is really a great achievement, a great aim objective. And for that, the basic understanding of me being a soul is absolutely a prerequisite. And another important thing, that is to have love and affection in the heart. That is the ultimate water for the seed of knowledge. Because if we don't have that feeling of being Jagadamba, the one who's mother of all, the feeling of motherhood, the feeling of mercy for everyone, so we won't be establishing the religion of equality. Because if we feel a sense of hatred or a sense of discomfort for those who have the sanskar of anger or lust or greed, so how would we be able to help them to get over that? So there is no point of putting any allegations or thinking any negative for someone who's into wrong practice. Instead, we shall keep the intention of transformation for them. So this is what Shiv Baba has recalled and reminded us, that stay in the consciousness that you're a soul. And also you should have the determined faith that on this path of knowledge with Shiv Baba, while remaining alive, we are going to inherit or we are going to receive the property of Shiv Baba. And what is the inheritance that we'll be receiving? First of all, mercy. Mercy for all the souls. Mercy for every five element, all the elements present in this universe. Mercy and love, the combination, the perfect combination of mercy and love is the first property that we are going to inherit from Baba. And when we will have this sense of mercy and love, so our intentions will become a reality. That is the ultimate inheritance that we deities are going to receive. And this intention will not just work on souls, but instead it will work on the five elements. And this is the highest on high position that Shiv Baba often talks about. So remembering the Supreme Father, where he says everyone's intellect is number-wise. So you have to understand me as I am, exactly what I am, by considering yourself the exactly real picture of soul that is you are. And then you will become worthy of worship. Because destruction is a certain thing that will happen. This is the word used by Shiv Baba, that destruction is certain. Bombs are being created, not just for the namesake, but they are going to be used in reality. Natural calamities are going to reach at its peak. So at that particular time, the attitude of we souls, the absolute attitude of mercy and love for that nature, even at that time, the intention of welcoming Satyug and letting the departure of souls in a very peaceful manner is going to pratyaksh, or is going to show the real identity of God to this world. However, Shiv Baba doesn't need any human being for his confirmation to give a practical proof of him being a God. But in order to be in the accordance with the law of karma, that is, I am giving Satyug to these souls because they did so and so in their previous life or in Sangam Yug. is the real way or the right way of Baba giving the inheritance to we children. And that's why Baba says you will receive the number of or the amount of effort that you'll put. I can't give you more or less than that. Om Shanti.